Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MEMP. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this may look like several days worth of time right here, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do the 30-minute. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And the question revolves around the fact that today was a very strong day. You know, again, each one of these represents 30 minutes. So not even including the final 30 minutes, which was just absolutely crazy. Look at that huge volume final 30 minutes. And then, obviously the price reacted really nicely with it. So even before that, but when you factor that in, everybody would agree, yeah, today was a good day. But that does bring up the question, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering this question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single level. And that level is right here at the 41-cent mark. Why is 41 cents so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with true power, with genuine strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly strong, it's not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about 41 cents. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what is that doing to the price? That's putting the price right back to this range where it already was. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price heads down here. I'm not saying it will, but let's just pretend it heads down here, bounces around, and then heads back up. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this set right there. You'd have these down there. If you picture each one of these as stair steps, well, hey, you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's what truly strong moves do, right? They make progress in the upwards direction over time. So if you haven't kind of connected those dots, 41 cents, very important level of support. Now, what about levels of resistance? Actually, I do want to add in one more area of support. Ideally speaking, meaning, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute best going forward? If the price can stay up above 46 cents, that would definitely be the best case scenario. But by no means am I saying that if 46 cents fails, that the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. In regards to levels of resistance, I must have done this one before. I have some annotations up here already. I'll just get that one. I don't want to have too many lines. But next key level of resistance to keep an eye on, I'm going to call right here at the 53-cent mark, and then after 53 cents up there at about 59. So 53, 59, next two key levels of resistance. All in all, though, no doubt about it, very, very nice day today. Now it's just a question of, can the bulls build upon this momentum going forward? We shall see. One of the more popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.